We write 10 points wonder of science. Point number 1. This is the age of science. Full stop. Point number 2. Science has changed the entire world. Full stop. Point number 3. Science has made our life more comfortable, beautiful, and trouble free. Full stop. Point number 4. Science has conquered time and distance. Full stop. Point number 5. Electricity is another wonderful gift of science. Full stop. Point number 6. Science has given us wonderful medicine. Full stop. Point number 7. Science has given us fast means of traveling. Full stop. Point number 8. Science has given us wonderful inventions. Full stop. Point number 9. We can now reach other planets because of science. Full stop. Point number 10. Science has indeed proved to be a great blessing. Full stop.